do you think about this place?
Not bad, it's not bad.
It's really nice, huh?
For what it costs, yeah.
It's pretty cheap. It was like $70 a night. Look at that elevator lights. But the elevator is a little old, but it works. So in Okinawa they have spam musubis, the regular onigiris over here on the top, but this is something that we haven't seen in Japan in a while, that you can only probably see here in Tokyo, which is the spam musubis, which I think they're really known for, and they have a variety over here. Check that out. I think this one only has ketchup. I guess this one doesn't have with ketchup, but with something else. Quite interesting. But there you are. We're in Okinawa right now. We're checking out all the food and grabbing some breakfast. So cool. What is this?
That's Dr. Pepper.
That's Dr. Pepper.
I don't even know. I don't even know what I was trying to say. I know. Interesting. Just grab any, please.
A cheap one?
Either coffee with milk. Yeah, just get a cheap one then.
Or should I get the coffee and milk?
Yeah, coffee and milk sounds good.
Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent when it's time with you? It's so innocent. Blue sky on the back of a Pegasus. Got a wrinkle going less with the laughter. So don't let us blow. Gotta get a hose up, even if I host up. Don't let me steal your thunder.
Get out of the frame.
Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you was fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up.
Hello guys, so we're at this garden,
Fukushuen Garden.
Fukushuen Garden, and we're just walking around in this really nice, beautiful place. And to enter, you have to pay 200 yen per adult. So if you want to take pictures, just walk around, relax, you can do so. It's definitely a trip to be in here. What's that? What is it? What if it falls on my face? Hello! Little koi fishies. There's water on my lens. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should not have done that. Here we are. So we're now heading back down. Here's the beautiful view. As you can see here, now I'm gonna head down. It's very narrow, so I have to be really careful. And it was quite interesting up in there. And going inside the mini cave. It's quite a trip. It's pretty dark. I got scared. Here you are. We're back. Beautiful tree. Okay, well that was it. It was a short trip. Okay, well that was our mini trip to the garden. It was really nice. It's worth your 200 yen. I think it would be better if you rented a kimono and then take pictures, because the place really looked nice. And yeah, not a lot of people were there, so you can take as much pictures as you want. But now we're gonna head out to the beach, which I don't know where we're at right now. Okay, so now we're headed to the closest beach that we can get to, which is the Naminoue beach. I might have said that wrong. It's called Naminoue. Naminoue. Anyway, the closest beach to Naha, because that's the only place we can get to without the car. Because the best way to go around town is with a car, and we didn't get a car this time. So here we are. We're just walking around, taking a monorail and walking. So yeah, we'll check it out. That's where we're at right now. This is a beach right over here, and this is, I don't know where we're at. Anyway, well, this is the area that we're at right now. So this is where we're at right now. To the beach. Great. Okay, so we got here. There were a lot of people. I guess there are a lot of tourists just like us. There's certain things that you really can't do. I guess this is just an area where you can just hang out, you know, do a little bit of picnic. You can't play, you can't dive, you can't set fireworks, any fire, or set up camp, drink, dogs, swim, snorkel, and smoke, and then wear bathing suits. Those are other things that you can't do at this beach. Other than that, you can probably just hang out here, chill, watch the water, you know. You can probably bring food and whatnot, but other than that, that's all you can do. And check out the sand. The sand is so nice. Yes. Oh, no. Okay, so now we're gonna try the meat pie, and we got, what did you get?
Meat and onion.
We got meat and onion. Can you see me? There you go. Okay, so we're gonna try the meat and onion meat pie that we got from this Joel meat pie. Hello and welcome back. Now we're trying out the last piece of the meat pie. I already ate the majority of it. John also did. This thing tasted like an empanada, but better, because that's what John said. It's just hard to chew the flaky part. What do you call this?
Croissant.
Croissant. I don't think it's a croissant.
It has the flakiness of a croissant.
It has a flakiness of croissant.
It's let me see. Here, can you throw this away, please?
You can't even see yourself. Hello.
Hello. So, this is, what do you call this beach?
This is
Naminoue.
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 Naminoue. It's so nice! We haven't seen the beach in a while. Even though we live in California, we don't really go out. And this is a really nice beach.
Yeah, I think it's
Blue
because...
water, white sand. Yeah.
Well then, yeah, the reason why we don't go to the beach is because she doesn't like the beach too much. I'm okay with it, and I always tell her, like, hey, let's go to the beach, but she's, I don't know, for some reason she doesn't like the beach. I need a new lens for that camera, but the lens is pretty good, right? I think it's just the lighting could be a little bit off.
No, it's really nice. Okay, so what were you talking about?
I was talking about the taco rice that we ate last night, actually, and it's, I don't know, it's hard to say that it's good. It's kind of shit.
Yes.
It's literally rice cooked in taco seasoning, and they put like slices of pork or chicken seasoned in taco seasoning, sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and put an egg on top, and called it taco rice and sold it to me for $8. Would I get it again? Absolutely not. It's something that, like, if you go into your cupboard and you're like, oh, extra taco seasoning, let's use that to cook with whatever else you have in your cupboard, your pantry. You find rice and an egg and cheese, and you throw it all together in a skillet. That's what it tastes like. So don't get it. He's looking at us.
I want to.
Can you get a spoon for me?
What ice cream are you getting? You want ice cream, or are you just gonna get ice cream? Is that what you're gonna get? What flavor are you gonna get? Yeah. Yeah. Yay! Oh. Try to pretend I don't know what's supposed to I want you back. I never thought that I could crumble like this, but I've been searching for the words to tell you how I'm breaking down.
Born in Okinawa.
Jesus Christ, the taco rice. How about we move on from the taco rice?
Oh, this is the bitter melon.
Yeah. I don't think we're technically missing out on the bitter melon thing. We already had it in the Philippines. Yeah.
Dia like